Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, let's talk about make one contact ring on silent mode. This is going to be an Android trick. Alright, so basically for this one, I want you to open the contacts application on your Android phone. And basically second one, select and find the contact you want to make ring event or ring even in silent mode. Basically, even if your phone is going to be on silent mode, make a ring right there and tap edit, the pencil icon to modify the contact. So look for the option called ringtone or customize ringtone right there and basically tap on ringtone then choose a loud and noticeable tone you'd like to assign. Now toggle the option called override do not disturb or allow sound silent mode if available. Save the contact changes and basically next go to your phone settings, sound and vibration, do not disturb or just search for do not disturb application. So you don't have to go all the way here. Next up, tap on people or exceptions and then go to calls. Look for the one that says from start contacts only. And then go back to the contact you edited and star it. Tap the star icon. And now even if your phone is in silent mode or DND or basically do not disturb is enabled, this contact can still ring through. Alright? So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.